Hi there, and welcome back to Google Guru. Today I want to share with you some tips about sharing Google Calendars. From your calendar screen, go to the wrench and the gear icon, I guess we're calling it now, in the top right hand corner, and click on Calendar Settings. You're on the General Settings page, and then click on the Calendars tab, and this is all of my calendars. The Guru is my main personal calendar, so I'm going to click on that. And here I can change the name. You can see that I'm the owner. I can add a description if I want, and here's my option to embed this calendar if I want. But before we get ahead of ourselves there, let's talk about sharing settings. So you click on Share This Calendar, and you can see I'm sharing this calendar with others, and then I've selected to share this calendar with everyone in the organization, Google Guru. Now this is an option that's obviously only available to Google Apps customers because that's when you have the concept of an organization on Google Calendar. If you wanted to, you can also make the calendar public. If you do that, you can choose to see all event details. For example, maybe your marketing events calendar, you want to embed that on your website and you want everyone to be able to see the events. Or see only free busy. Maybe you share your calendar out with people so that they can book time with you or something like that, kind of like the Tungle.me service. So those are your options for sharing it. You can also share it with specific people. Say I only wanted to share it with president presentations, and I'm not going to share this with my entire domain. So then you have settings for individuals. You can see all event details, make changes to events, make changes and manage sharing, or see only free busy. So maybe if president presentations was like, my assistant or something like that, I would want him to be able to make changes to events and manage sharing, or at least make changes to the events, because he's really managing my calendar. Another example is, here's our Guru calendar events. So this is what we call like our marketing events calendar that we're going to embed on the website. So we're going to share this calendar with others and make it public and see all event details. So that's just another example of how you can use Google Calendar. If I want to embed it on the website, how do I do that? Go back to calendar details. You got to save first. Okay. Oh, and that was an important notification there. When I click save, it said making your calendar public is going to make your calendar visible in Google search. Do you want that? Yes, that's okay, but it's just important to know that if you're turning public on. So if you want to embed it, Google gives you this little iframe code here, and you just copy and paste that into any HTML page on your website. You can customize a lot of stuff on here. So the height, the width, what you want to show, and the default view, if you wanted to show just a week at a time, or like this agenda view. Some people like that because you can see multiple events per day. And then you can choose which calendars to display. So you'd have to make them all public and then select all of them to put them in this view. So that's it. If you have any questions about Google Calendar, please ask us in the comments, and thanks for watching.